Hey everybody, ScottBurnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Got one outside for you today. So out here at my above ground pool, and we've had a tremendous amount of rain here lately, and I got 8-10 inches of water in here in the cover with leaves and a whole bunch of stagnated mess. It's going to be bad if I'm not careful. And I usually have a pump, whether it be out of my bait tank, a bilge pump, or a hand pump, or a siphon tube. I'm tired of getting a mouthful of water when I siphon, and you can't keep the pumps running if they get dirt in them, whatever. So I'm going to try to do this on a budget. So I found a Black & Decker 350 gallons per hour manual pump with a filter and the whole bit. Inexpensive. You know, you can get these things where they're a couple of $100. This one was $40. But easy to maintain. Got a 25-foot cord. Filter. You can submersible. It's submersible. And it's for above ground and in-ground pools. And it has a water hose connector where you hook water hose up to it. So we're going to do an unboxing, and it has a 3-year warranty. So, which is pretty good. So let's look at it here. I'm tired of getting pumps out of my boat and everything and doing this and messing them up. So 350 gallons per hour. Comes with instructions, safety stuff, in 3 languages. Put that right there. Got a piece of filter material and the pump. So right there. So it does have 2 filters, or 2 pieces of filter material. And apparently what you do, you just plug it up and chunk it out there in water after you hook your water hose up to it. So let's try that. I'm just tired of getting a mouthful of dirty water when I try to siphon it, and these little pumps, you just can't, they don't last. I'd like to have something that lasts more than 1 year or 2 years. Although the way the world's going, I don't know how long we'll have a swimming pool, so. This pool belongs to my dog anyway, so. Isn't this your pool? Yeah. So I got a length of garden hose that I use to drain my water heater and run my dehumidifier with. And hopefully my receptacle is still hot down here for my pump. We'll use it. And this video is just a review of this pump, see how it does. So I'm just going to do that. Cord looks like it's sealed in there. So let's chunk that off in there. We'll plug this thing up. Comes with a heavy duty cord. I know that. And by George, there's water coming out of it. No, Gretchen, you can't drink that water. So y'all can kind of see this is a 24-foot above ground pool. You can see how much water is in it. So we'll come back when I got it down. We'll see how long it takes for a 350 gallon per hour pump to do this. So we'll be right back.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank. No.
All right, so I lost some of the footage, the audio. I didn't have a microphone plugged in or something. I don't know where it was. My green light's on here, so it should be working. So it has taken 3.5 hours to drain the pool cover. So that means I had, you know, if all things said and done, I had 1,000 gallons of water on the pool cover. But it's down to 1/4 inch all the way across. It's supposed to have dry weather all week, so it should be down where I can blow it off till it rains again. So let me grab the pump over here. So what I did, I got me a big brick on my round shovel and laid out there so I had a pool. And that's what the filter looks like. So I'll have to wash that out. Run the pump a little bit. But all in all, did a great job. Hopefully I can keep it running for 2 or 3 years, however long we have this pool. One safety tip, this is 120 volts AC and you're dealing with water. Be careful. Make sure you're on an outlet that's GFCI or ground fault protected. Don't stick your hand around the plug with water. But links to this be in the description. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. So anyway, hope y'all like this video. Hope you get something out of it. If you got any questions, let me know. Leave them down in the bottom in the comment section. But like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified when I put out more content, which hopefully will be tomorrow. So it's almost Thanksgiving. I hope everybody's thankful for something. Let your family and friends know that you're thankful for them. And I'm thankful for you. And I'm even thankful for that. So anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day and a great weekend. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Gretchen.